everyone, welcome back to the Heritage Lock YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the Kaba Oracode lock and how to cancel a code that you've already generated. So this might happen if you have guests that have been asked to leave early, or maybe you have a maintenance person that is no longer working for you and you need to cancel their code. Since the Oracode lock is an offline lock, you do have to actually visit the lock in order to cancel their code. But the first step is to go online and generate an override code. So let's start out with that.
All right, we're back here at the Oracode live website. That's kabaecodewireless.com. This is the same site that we used to generate the codes originally. We're going to go back to code management, generate access code, and once again select our door name. The next step here, the user level, is critical to make sure that you select the same user level that you selected originally. And in this case, we selected housekeeping 13. And then the validity dates need to overlap with the original validity dates so that it generates as an override code. I'm not going to bother selecting a code holder name. I'm just going to go ahead and click generate in the bottom right hand corner. Now this next screen, it comes up with a warning that tells you you're about to override an existing access code on your door name. It tells you what the last 3 digits of the original code were and the validity dates. And in this case, we know exactly that this is what we're intending to do. So we're going to go to the bottom right hand corner and click override. So here is our new access code, and we're going to take this and now go back to the lock to finish deleting or overriding that access code.
All right, so we're back at the lock and we're ready to enter the override code and prevent that original code from working. So first, I'm just going to demonstrate that the original code works. 27*259 442, get a green light, lock retracts, so it works. We're gonna reset, lock the door again, and now we're going to enter the override code that we just generated. 27*595 Okay, that code works. I'm gonna reset the lock again, and now we're gonna try the original code again to show that it does not work. 27*259 442, red. Doesn't work. If you remember, we also customized that original code, and that customized code also gets deleted out at the same time with the with the original. So we'll demonstrate that as well. 27*1 2 3 4 5 6, red light, doesn't work, doesn't open the door. So from now on, the only 27* code that works this door is the new one, the override code that we just generated. So now you know how to override a code, or also known as delete a code from the lock. Just keep in mind, you first have to go to the computer and then come and enter it into the lock to actually enforce the override. Thank you.